What is the health benefits of oregano? Oregano is a herb that is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Some potential health benefits of oregano include promoting gut health and digestion. Oregano is a good source of fiber and has been found to help prevent the growth of harmful bacteria in the gut. Relieving respiratory conditions. Oregano oil has been used to treat respiratory conditions such as asthma, bronchitis, and sinusitis. Reducing pain and inflammation. Oregano's anti-inflammatory properties may help to reduce pain and inflammation associated with conditions such as osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Boosting the immune system. Oregano is a good source of vitamin K, which is important for maintaining a healthy immune system, and its antimicrobial properties may help to fight off infections. Enhancing skin health. Oregano oil has been used to treat skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, and acne. It's important to note that more research is needed to confirm these potential health benefits and to understand the appropriate dosage and usage for oregano.
Thank you for watching. We welcome your feedback. Feel free to get in touch if you have any questions. Please like this video, subscribe for more. Also feel free to share with others, they will thank you. Click the link below to learn more.